Working on a 2008 Ford Focus, no start conditions. Go to ignition switch, turn it all the way, got nothing. First thing I did was from the actual starter, see if I was getting any power sources from here, just to be on the safe side. See if it was a starter or not. Then from that point, I checked power sources from here, from the battery to the fuse. This connection here actually runs to a fusible link, which is located here, sending power to another fuse that's located here, as it explains here, behind left side of dash. Sending signal to the ignition switch, so when you turn the key to start, it sends signal to this integrated fuse box. Now, the funny thing is that when you sometimes turn the key, it tends to actually start. So eliminating this is telling me that something's happening in the actual switch. Let me show you, for example, where the relay is, for you to actually begin from that point. This is the starter relay here underneath the hood. This is that 30 amp fuse, number 11. Let me go ahead and jump into this process of telling you what I actually did to figure this problem out. Remove this cover. It's real basic, just pull on it, come right off. Come down. Get a 5.5 millimeter to begin the process of removing the steering column. Put my phone down so I could show you the process. I already have them loose, so let's twist them off. Release the columns, tilt, bring it down. Now on the top cover, pretty much just pull it up. It should release. Same thing with the bottom, pull it down. Pull this cover away from that. Pretty much comes out kind of simple though, as you see. This one's a little tricky though. In reality, I don't really need to take it all down though. Just try to put my phone down so I can actually show you what I gotta do. Try to get something to poke. Show you exactly where to. See this one right here? Little pinhole right here. This one right here. Turn the key forward, one click. Try to set my phone down a little bit so I can show you exactly. Once you hear that, go ahead and pull the whole ignition switch out. I actually stuck a screwdriver in there, turned it, and was able to turn on the car. So at this point right now, what we're finding out is that the problem is this piece right here actually worn down. So what I did, I taped it up, fit it in there, resolve the issue. Get some type of duct tape, something like that will function. I'll show you for example. See this duct tape right here? What I ended up doing is cutting a quarter of a piece, wrapped it around that switch, put it right in, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Put my phone down. There it is. Except a little bit too thick. There it goes. Kind of had to force it a little bit to get in there. And there it is. Problem solved. Now just reverse your steps on putting everything back together and your job is complete. Thank you for watching. Gentlemen from California Mufflers in Lyons, Illinois. 60534. If any time have any questions.